Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops with only sugar. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, clear lollipop base. Keep stirring until no sugar crystals remain on the sides of the pan. Once the sugar is dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture to a boil. Let it cook without stirring until the temperature reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature ensures your lollipops will be firm and crunchy. Be patient and monitor the thermometer closely for best results. As soon as the syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. If desired, carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavor extract, like vanilla or cherry, and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly, as the syrup will cool and harden fast. Spoon or pour small, even circles onto a silicone mat or parchment paper, then insert a lollipop stick into each one. Let your freshly poured lollipops cool undisturbed for at least 20 minutes, or until they are completely firm and hard. Once cooled, carefully peel them off the mat or paper. To keep them from getting sticky, wrap each lollipop individually in plastic wrap or small cellophane bags. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They make wonderful treats or gifts. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.